Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some exercises that can be done using a peanut ball. Please read the disclaimer first on my channel before you start. Each exercise I will demonstrate in repetitions of 10. You can do as few or as many as you want. I'm going to target my legs and my glutes, also my obliques. Bending the underneath leg, the top leg completely straight and the foot flexed. Breathing in, lift the leg and lower. Tummy pulled in. Breathe out and in. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Onto my obliques. Elbow on the floor, both hands by my ears. Breathe in. I'm going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. Breathe out and in. Four, 2 and 1. The next one's a bit more challenging. We're going to lift the leg and the side at the same time. Are we ready? Breathe in, lift and down. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Inner thigh workout now. Place the ball in between your ankles. Prop yourself all the way down onto the floor and lift and lower. Lift and lower. Keep the underneath leg really straight. That's what's working. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Carefully lower down. Swapping sides. Forearm on the floor, underneath leg bent, top leg straight. Ready for leg lifts. Lift and down. Tummy pulled in. I've got 4, and 1. Elbow onto the floor, both hands by your ears, breathe in. Curl up at the side, working the obliques. I've got 4, and now introduce the leg with the curl up. There's 4, and 1. Inner thigh work. Ball in between your ankles. Are we ready? Lift and lower. Keeping that leg straight. There's 4, 2 and 1. Last exercise here for your glutes and your hamstrings. Place your feet on top of the ball, all the way down. Remember that little pelvic tilt. Breathe in, tummy in. Lift the lower back off the floor. Drag the ball in by bending your knees, push the ball away, lowering your back down. Lift the lower back, bend the knees, drag the ball in, push the ball away and lower down. Really control the movement. I've got 4. And last one. And carefully come up. If you found that useful, let me know in the comments and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.